Hello guys, today we are going to draw and color hat which starts from the letter H. So the materials we need are a pencil, an eraser, a black sketch pen and some colors. So let's start. First we will make a round like this and then we will make a line here. Then we will make the same line above it and we will make this kind of shape. We will outline it with a black sketch pen. We will color this. Leaving the ribbon for the rest of the hat, we are going to take yellow, and now for the ribbon we will take red. And now our hat is ready. A hat is a thing that we put on our head that protects us from sun and rain. And it is made up of cloths and it is colorful. Thanks for watching.